Belum. Okay, now we are at the Jurang Park, and we are playing Airsoft with some friends from around Central Java and Yogyakarta, and I think we are going to move forward because the opponents are on the south side while we are in the north side, and we haven't seen any opponents yet. We are going to move a little bit slowly and quietly. There's a little path here that leads us to the opponent side. We are at the yellow side. Okay. It's like in the middle of nowhere where the pines, trees everywhere. The scenery is so beautiful, but we have to be more careful. Yeah. I thought that someone's calling me, but there's no one. Yeah. Okay. Let's hide somewhere. Let's hide somewhere. There's someone else. Where are the others? Okay, let's find out. Well, I think we have company here. Two of the yellow side, and we are going to get behind the enemy's line. Okay, I think we are going to flank the opponent, but we have to be more careful because the opponents are well armed and also well experienced. It's a really good park with all the pines vegetation here, and if you are interested in playing Airsoft here, you can contact me. Yeah, I think we are going to move forward to the opponent's area. Yeah, well, what a beautiful scenery I have here in this Airsoft field. Okay. I think we have contact here. I think we have contact here with some enemies. Iya, tadi aku juga.